Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you an easier way to get this drive spring back on if your drive belt comes off on your 21 and up Hustler Raptor XD. I'm also going to put in the link the owner's manual and the link to the website where it's got the pump information for the hydraulic pump. I don't know if this camera is going to do it justice or not, but the spring that runs, there's no diagram on the tractor itself. It runs down here. You can see it there, but the diagram will have it better. It'll run kind of you can see under all this stuff. And it's a bear to put on. You need two people to put it on. And you want somebody to crawl up underneath it and tie you a rope and have the other person pull on the end of that spring that's right there to put it the right way. You can put it on there the wrong way, which I did first, and I had to learn that lesson the hard way until I found the diagram online to get it back right. When you install the spring back on, you want to tie this to the front of that spring and have the other person pull it, and the person that's underneath pulling on this spring needs to be very careful about getting that spring in your hands. You'll have a bad day if you do that. I would imagine that spring would send you to the hospital. Also, guys, while we're out here today, we're going to take a look at these. If you ever need to adjust your hydro speed on these, right here's there's your pump screw here and here. You'll be able to tell once you get on it. You'll have to push harder on one side than the other, and it just won't feel right if you ever need to adjust it. You just back them out, and if you back them out, that speeds them up. You loosen here and pull that out. If you're worried about messing it up, I'd get me a marker or something and just mark it. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you found the information useful, we'll catch you guys on the next video later.